Imagine you typed just one prompt, and within a minute, 100, even 1,000 luxury video ads were created. No need to waste your time generating every ad one by one with a separate prompt. So in this 5-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can follow this workflow to create bulk AI video ads using just a single prompt. And the best part is that even if you're a complete beginner, you can easily follow this workflow and create your own ads. So let's get started. For this workflow, I'm going to use Magnific Spaces to create these bulk video ads. The main reason I'm using Spaces is that it gives us the ability to build a workflow and generate multiple ads at once, instead of creating everything manually. I'll leave the link in the description below, so if you want to try Magnific Spaces yourself, you can check it out from there. After signing up, just go to Spaces and then create a new space. Okay, so once you're inside the space, you'll see that we have different types of nodes available. Now, let's first see how we would create an ad manually, one product at a time. So upload your product image here, and then we also need a color scheme. The color palette gives every product a consistent visual style. This is especially useful when you want all your ads to follow the same visual style, even when you're working with different products. Okay, once we have the product image and color palette ready, create an image generator node, and then connect the color palette to this node. After that, type in a prompt and describe what kind of design you want the AI to create. Then choose the image model, set the aspect ratio and resolution, and simply run the node. And now, you can see that we have a professional-looking static ad. Of course, it looks great, but there's a problem. What if you have 100 or even 500 different products that you want to turn into ads? In that case, you would have to repeat the exact same process again and again for every single product. You would need to upload the product, connect the references, run the generator, and repeat the whole process 100 times. That would take a huge amount of time, and honestly, it would get pretty frustrating. So what do we do instead? This is where the Spaces list node comes in. So let's see how it works. First, create a list node. Then upload all your product images into this list. It doesn't matter if you have 100 products or 500 products. Just add all of them to the list, and Spaces will handle them as a batch. After that, upload your color palette as well, because we want all of these ads to follow the same visual style. Now add an image generator node and connect the color palette to the image generator. The products from the list will be processed through this workflow. After that, add this prompt here. You can simply copy and paste this prompt if you want to use the same workflow yourself. And one important thing, don't use just a single line prompt. A very short prompt can sometimes give you unwanted results, and that can end up wasting your credits. Once the prompt is ready, choose your image model, set the aspect ratio and resolution, and then run the node. Now, this step can take around a minute, depending on how many products you're processing. And boom! You can see that all the ad creatives have been generated in one click. There's no need to generate each image separately or repeat the same process over and over again. And honestly, I really like how professional these designs look. The color palette is also working really well. Okay, now let's take these static ad creatives and turn them into motion videos. For that, we just need to create a video generator node and then add this prompt. Again, I wouldn't recommend using an extremely short prompt here. After that, choose the number of images you want to process. Select Seedance 2.5 as the video model, and then set your aspect ratio. For the duration, you can generate videos up to 30 seconds long using the Seedance 2.5 model. But for this example, I'm going to keep the duration at just 5 seconds. You can also generate videos at up to 1080p resolution. But for now, I'm going to select 720p just to keep the generation faster, and then simply run the node. Because we're generating all of these videos in bulk, this step can take around 5 minutes. So let's give it some time to process. Okay, and now you can see the result. All of the video ads have been generated. We can now download all of these videos in bulk and take a look at the final output. And as you can see, the motion looks really cool. The animation is smooth, the products remain the focus, and I don't see any major issues in the results. Seedance 2.5 is seriously impressive as a video model right now. So that's how you can generate bulk AI video ads in just a few minutes using Magnific Spaces. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't miss this video where I showed you how to use Claude Code to generate stunning whiteboard animation videos.